Wish you a very good morning to all. So we'll start our biology syllabus by talking the content of our syllabus. So here we have total 5 units. In this unit number 6, unit number 7, unit number 8, unit number 9 and unit number 10. It consists of total 16 chapters, and according to the units all the chapters are distinguished. So when you see the index of your NCERT textbook, so then you will get unit number 6, that is about reproduction. So here 4 chapters are included in the reproduction unit. So chapter number 1 is the reproduction in organisms. So here we will discuss about how the reproduction process will occur in different organisms by taking examples of unicellular and multicellular organisms. Chapter number 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So all my dear students, you know that the flowering plants, typical flower, so in that the male and female reproductive parts of the flower, and that microscopic structure will be studied, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Chapter number 2. Chapter number 3 is what? Human reproduction. So this chapter is very common, as it was there in 8th standard, it was there in 10th standard, and it is there in the 12th standard also. So here in this chapter, the male and female reproductive systems, how the fertilization process will occur, how that oogenesis and spermatogenesis type of process will occur. So all things we will discuss in this chapter. Chapter number 4, about the reproductive health. So how we can make our reproductive health strong. So in the different methodology of principles and techniques are given, so that we will discuss the reproductive health. So here 4 chapters, that is mainly focused on reproduction. Now unit number 7, that is about genetics and evolution. So here genetics, generally how the DNA form, their replication, their transcription, and evolutionary theory, Charles Darwin, even Mendel theory, that also we will discuss in these chapters. So chapter 5, 6 and 7. So that is principles of inheritance and variations. So inheritance and variation you are aware, the varieties of species, and inheritance, there is related, they are all are interlinked. Next, chapter number 6, that is a molecular biology in the basis of inheritance. Okay, and chapter number 7 is about evolution. So total discussion about the evolution, the evolutionary theories, homologous, analogous organisms, how the evolution occurs. So that type of things we will discuss in the unit number 7. So unit number 6 and unit number 7. Unit number 6, that is the reproduction. Unit number 7, that is genetics and evolution. So 1 to 7 chapters consist of unit 6 and 7. Now unit number 8 and unit number 9. Unit number 8 is what? Unit number 8 is biology in human welfare. So here this is related, this is very interesting and very important chapter, that is human health and disease. Okay, so human health and disease, chapter number 8. Chapter number 9 is here it's strategies of we can say, that is a food production. Different strategies we are using to enhance the food production. So it's a chapter related to our agriculture. So how to increase the food production. So different strategies are there, different techniques we have, different modern technology. Nowadays you know that type of techniques we will discuss. And chapter number 10 is here. Molecular, simply we can say, it is a chapter related to microbes. Microbes in microbes, that is human welfare. So it is just how the microorganisms are affect to the human welfare. So here this is we can say human health and disease, the strategy enhance food production, that is microbes, human welfare. So 8, 9 and 10 consist as a part of unit number 8, that is biology in human welfare. Now come to the unit number 9. So unit number 9 is totally based on biotechnology. Biotechnology, different techniques. So in that biotechnology there is a principles and we can say procedure. So different principles are there, different procedures are there. So that we will discuss in this chapter, biotechnology, principle and its applications or processes. Chapter number 12, that is biotechnology and its applications. Biotechnology and its applications. So all things are given in the textbook. When you open the content, that only I am explaining because this is very crucial. Before starting different chapters, we must know the content of this biology. Now here unit number 10. So here unit number 10 is totally related to our environment. Unit number 10, that is ecology, study of environment. So here organisms and population in the environment, chapter number 13. Chapter number 14 is about ecosystem. Chapter number 15 is we can say biodiversity and conservation. This is chapter number 15 is biodiversity and conservation. And chapter number 16 is, that is we can say the last chapter is environmental issues. So different environmental issues, EI, environmental issues. So here 4 chapters are there, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That is a part of our ecology. So chapter number 13 is what? Organism and population. 14 is ecosystem. 15 is biodiversity and conservation. And 16 is environmental issues. So these are the 5 units. Unit number 6, that is reproduction. Unit number 7, that is genetics and evolution. Unit number 8, we can say the biology in the human welfare. Unit number 9, biotechnology, and unit number 10, that is ecology. So what you have to remember in the content, unit number 6 is what? Reproduction. Unit number 7 is here genetics and evolution. Unit number 8 is biotechnology. Unit number 8 is human welfare. Unit number 9 is biotechnology and unit number 10 is ecology. So this is the thing we need to discuss. This is a brief introduction about the content, and next time when you will see the video, so that time we will start with a new chapter in this biology. Okay, so first of all, please go to the content, clarify, try to understand the topics in the particular units, because we need to understand why I am taking this content first as a beginning of this biology class. Because if you know the unit and the title of the unit, all the chapters, when they are asking questions based on that. Okay, so that's why next time whenever we'll see the video, we'll make the video, so that according to the units will continue. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Once again, please go to the content. Try to see all the units, the titles, and how many chapters are there in the particular unit. That also you have to be confident. You have to see, and you will try to read the particular chapter. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day, and we'll meet in another video. Thank you.